It's not you versus you or you win and you lose. We need to make sure that we're all working together to succeed. And that's how we can have a successful sales culture. This is Stephen Harrington Dakota with Agency Performance Partners, your agency BFF and performance coach. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about working with your producing team or your sales team. How can you manage them? How can you help them grow? How can you get them to that next level? So we're going to do exactly that. What I want to make sure is that we are fostering a positive team culture. I know that we can talk a lot about culture and what does that mean, and we really have to define that for the agency. But I think a couple of things go a long way. The first one is celebrating success, recognizing and celebrating the achievement of your team members, whether it's reaching a sales target, closing a big deal, overcoming a challenge, or even celebrating the small stuff. Make a big deal out of celebrating all the time. We also want to make sure we're encouraging teamwork. As everybody works together and shares their ideas and supports each other, they can become stronger salespeople just by working together. We should also be providing opportunities for development. We want to make sure that our team grows their skills, really practices what we're preaching, and gets more confident and comfortable in everything that they need to do. I know that sometimes we're like, well, what if I train them and they leave? Well, what if we train them and they stay, is a popular saying, right? We want to make sure we're investing some time and really providing opportunities for our team to develop their skills and to become stronger at what they do. We also want to be approachable. We want to make sure that when we're working with our team, they have access to us. One of the things when I first started managing a large team was I had the bad habit of saying I was busy because I was overwhelmed, the team could see it. And I had to take a step back and be like, you know what? That's not fair to you. You need access to me, and I need to work with you to make you a strong team. So we need to be able to be available for our team members, and so we can encourage them and have them come to us with any concerns or issues they may be facing. I think we also need to have dedicated time that we're working with them individually and as a group. I think both are important. And lastly, we want to make sure we're creating a fun environment. We could have team building activities. We could have friendly competitions or organized social events to build morale and foster camaraderie. And a lot of agencies I go to, the sales team gets together very well. They do either a weekly or every other week, sometimes once a month, but they get together as a sales team and do a lunch or a dinner. They do a training, they go to a sports event or team building activity. They really work together to make sure that they're supporting each other and celebrating all their successes. And I think that's very important as well. So make sure that we are just building a positive team culture. It's not you versus you or you win and you lose. We need to make sure that we're all working together to succeed. And that's how we can have a successful sales culture and really help foster and grow our producing team. I look forward to talking to you again soon.